Hey guys, it's Jacob here again. Today's February 9th, 2019, and today we're going to be going over the appendicular and axial skeleton. So let's dive into it. So we're going to go over the anterior skull, nasal, ethmoid, mandible, bottom jaw, sphenoid, zygomatic bone, cheek, frontal, forehead, lacrimal, maxilla, top of the jaw, vomer, the middle of the nose, posterior, mandible, parietal, top of the back of the head, occipital, bottom back of the skull, temporal, which is your temple bones behind your ears, lateral, ethmoid, which is the inner corner of the eye, nasal, frontal, forehead, occipital, top back of the skull, lacrimal, mid corner of the eye, parietal, the top back of the skull, mandible, bottom jaw, temporal, maxilla, top jaw, and zygomatic, cheekbone. Inferior, ethmoid, parietal, top back part of the skull, frontal, forehead, sphenoid, occipital, bottom back part of the skull, and temporal. Okay? Vertebrae. So you have your atlas, which is what the skull sits on, and your axis, which allows it to turn. So axis and atlas. All right? Cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, sacrum, and coccyx, way down here. Thoracic cage, body of the sternum, manubrium of the sternum, true ribs, which have 2 attachment points, false ribs, which only have 1 attachment point, floating ribs, which are the bottom 2 ribs. Now for the appendicular skeleton. You have your clavicle on both sides. Turning around, scapula, both sides. Humerus, the top long bone of the upper arm. Radius, ulna. Again, radius, ulna. Hand and wrists. Capitate. Scaphoid. Hamate. Thumb, sesamoid. Lunate. Trapezium. Next we have metacarpal, phalanges, pisiform, trapezoid, and triquetrum. For the pelvis, the ilium, the ischium, pubis. For the legs, femur, the top long bone in the upper leg, patella, knee bone, tibia, fibula. Lastly, the feet, calcaneus, which is the heel, lateral cuneiform, navicular, cuboid, medial cuneiform, phalanges, the top of the toes, intermediate cuneiform, metatarsals, and talus. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you on the next one.